Welcome to Real Civil YouTube channel. In this very short video, I'm going to show you how to add the Indian steel sections. Okay. For that, first you have to go to define material properties. Here go to add new material, select India and select the grade Fe250. Click on OK. The properties are there. Click on OK again. Now go to define section properties in frame section. Now here first option is import new properties. Click on import new properties. Now here the option is general section. So click on the general section. Now here make sure it is Indian. Okay. Now select the material which we have already defined Fe250, and then here you can select the section you want, like IS wide flange, steel, channel, T, angle, double angle, pipe, tube. So many sections are there. So you can see ISHB, ISLB, ISMB sections are there. Simply you have to select those sections and just click on OK. You will find in the property box. You can click OK, and now you can assign the section or add these sections. Okay, so thank you. Please like, share, subscribe the Real Civil YouTube channel. Thank you so much.